How to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have hidden or locked certain chats using the chat lock feature and want to find the section as well as unhide it, here is the process to do so. First of all, update your app to the latest version. Then, after launch the application, on the main chat screen, swipe down and you will reveal the locked chats folder if it's available. After that, tap on it and enter the required authentication methods such as fingerprint, PIN, or face lock to access the lock chats. Tap on the lock chats again, and then the folder will show all the chats that you have locked using the feature. Keep in mind that lock chats is a feature that must be enabled for a chat by a user. If you do not see a locked folder, that means there is no locked chats on your account currently. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.